UE-350 SAH Semi-Auto Bandsaw. UE-350 SAH is a medium-large type bandsaw. The saw bow and gear transmission has been designed to be sturdy and provide a powerful torque output. It is suitable to cut mold steel, H-beam construction steel, or any other kind of steel. The machine designed by using a special hydraulic cylinder at the front of the saw bow to enhance its stability and efficiency in cutting. A variable speed adjusting device is very easy for changing the blade speed to match the type of material. A compression spring was equipped to assist and support the saw bow. It balances the bow weight for smooth and controllable descent. A special designed blade tensioning quickly sets device, making it easy to tension the blade. The safety shutoff micro switch shuts the power off when a blade is broken. The roller is attached on the machine for convenience in loading the workpiece. The vise system uses a rack-type quick-moving vise and hydraulic cylinder to quickly clamp and secure the material. On the cylinder is a sensory limit switch. The control system consists of precision electronic parts and easily read simplified icons on the panel, making them clear to operate. The cutting speed is controlled by the flow control knob for high-efficiency cutting and reduces wear on the blade. The water pump and tank were installed in the side of the machine, so you clean the machine with a water gun easily. A normal cutting cycle. The workpiece has been loaded, and proper blade and cutting speed has been selected. Press the start button to automatically and securely clamp the workpiece in the hydraulic vise. Next, the saw bow will descend and begin cutting the workpiece. Finally, the saw bow will rise to the preset height. Use the roller stands in the front and back of the machine to support long workpieces. UE-350 SSA Semi-Auto Bandsaw. UE-350 SSA is a high-efficiency cutting machine for cutting steel, H-beam construction steel, and other materials. The saw bow swivels from 0 degrees to 45 degrees on a track rotation system to increase stability and operation. The dampener reduces the cutting pressure of the saw at the end of the cut to prevent broken blade teeth and prolong the life of the blade. The laser-guided unit can project a red guideline on the workpiece to show where the blade will cut. A wheel-shaped chip brush is good for cleaning chips off the blade and teeth to improve cutting efficiency. A normal cutting cycle. For example, presented the cutting angle, loaded material, and selected the cutting speed. Press the start button. The workpiece be clamped by the hydraulic vise. Next, the saw bow begin cutting the workpiece. After cutting, the saw bow will rise to the preset height.